Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to create partition in Windows 11. As you can see, we have 3 drives. If I want to create new drive, then I have to make partition in one drive. So let's start. Go into search box and search create and format hard disk. Click here to select this option. After selecting this, disk management option is popped up. Here, select the drive to create partition. Now, open options and select shrink volume. Here you can see 31,623 MB space is free. Open calculator to calculate MB. One thousand MB is equal to 1 GB. Multiply 1000 with 3. It will convert it to 3 GB. We need to mention 3000 MB here to create 3 GB drive. So you can see 3 GB space got partitioned. To create new drive, we have to select this and click on options. Now select new simple volume option. Click next button. You can select letter for new drive and click next button. Here you can give name to new drive like this. So finally our new drive has been created successfully. Let's go into my computer and see fourth drive data is here. I hope this video will help you to create new partition. If you have any query, write down into comments. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for latest updates.